I'm going to do here. Just see. Oh, nice. By the way, you guys, I'm the worst at opening boxes, so this is going to be pretty crappy. You know what I'm saying. So, let's do it like that. There we go. Perfecto! Perfecto! Hey you guys, it's MJ and welcome to Daily Pet Adventures. Today is the very first day of Daily Pet Adventures and I'm starting it out pretty early. It is, well, it's 11:04, which is not super early, but I'm going to start it out and then we're going to slowly get down to the end of the day. So today we're going to clean my mouse cage and we're going to do a couple of other things, but I think you guys will enjoy this. And there should be an unboxing video for H2O plants as well. So stay tuned for that for the first part of the daily pet vlog, Daily Pet Adventures. And please enjoy. Hey Bogey. You liking your little circle scratcher? What's up, man? Hi, baby. You're so sweet. You can barely fit in here. Your little foot is like halfway out. Hey you guys, it's MJ and welcome back to Pet Adventures again. Today is going to be a part of my daily vlogging pet series for 30 days. And at this point, I don't know what I've decided to call this series or anything like that. And I don't know much about what I'm going to be doing with it. But today is basically the first real footage that I have of the day in the life pet vlogging series, that kind of thing. So we have another package from H2O Plants and today is going to be about his aquatic box, his monthly box subscription. I did sign up for it and he was gracious enough to send me one of these. I have no idea what's gonna be in it or anything like that, so please keep in mind that I have done an H2O Plants unboxing video before, and if you want to go see that video, I'll have it linked somewhere up here, so go check that out as well. But please continue watching this video, girl, because you need to keep watching, because you can't just click on that and then forget to watch this one. So watch this one and that one. 2 in 1 go, double whammy, the best thing ever. So we are going to open this and I'm super excited, so let's get to it. And also don't forget to use the code PetAdventures at the checkout if you want to. I have the link for that down below as well, so go check that out. Lucy? Lucy? No, you're not gonna kill it. I'm trying to kill a lizard back there. No, Lucy. Lucy, you're not gonna kill that lizard. Stop it. No. Lucy, you're not gonna drink that water. Okay, so we're probably going to need some scissors, so that's what I'm going to do here. Just see. Oh, nice. By the way, you guys, I'm the worst at opening boxes, so this is gonna be pretty crappy. You know what I'm saying. Okay. Alrighty. Just a little bit more over here. There we go. Perfecto! Perfecto! Okay, so let's see what's in this subscription box today, and you know, let's hope I get more in the future. I think I will, because I'm a big supporter of H2O Plants. So, okay, so the first thing we got is Crypt Undulata. Very interesting. So this is kind of what it looks like. A little bit of a glare there, but See if I can fix that with my light a little bit. Yeah, not too shabby. I like it. I like it a lot. We have Crypt Petchy. Oh, that's pretty cool. This kind of reminds me of like Chia Pet, the name Chia Pet. You guys probably don't know what that is, but very cool. I love it. Interesting. Okay, what else we got here? Ooh, I really like this one. What is this? Wenty Red. Rats! Stop messing up the video. Rats! You're messing it up, man. You are messing this up right now. Are you gonna stop at any time? There we go. Okay, and what else do we have in here? Oh yeah, so we did the Petchy, and then the Wenty Red is really interesting. I definitely like this. And if you guys can't see these in the bag very well, like, don't worry. I'm going to give you guys some better footage on it. Okay, so we got a few of those plants. Are there any other plants in here? I don't think so. Okay, so I got 3 plants in this box, so that's pretty nice. I like that. I think some of these are gonna go in my 10 gal with like the small mollies that I have, so that's gonna be good. Maybe I'll use some for the goldies, I'm not sure, but. And here we have some of his root tabs that he always gives us. Right, Lucy? And I love these root tabs, they're really nice. And these are just the vital tabs that he has. I actually use these, and I can tell you right now, they definitely 100% work. I believe that the root tabs, at least from my experience, have really helped the growth of the plants that he's recently given me, because that's a word, right? That's a word. That's a freaking word, gaven. So let's make sure that we put that in the official dictionary, because that's a word. Okay, and the next thing we have are just his little keynote cards, which I love. I think that's awesome that he puts that in there. And then his social medias are in the back, so we're gonna open this, because this is like my favorite part of the unboxing with H2O plants. I love the little cards. I don't know what it is, but I like them. Girl, you're making this hard for yourself. Jeez. That's how easy it freaking is, alright? Jeez. So we got the keynotes for the Petchy, aka Chia Pet, and the Undulata. It reminds me of like enchilada or something, I don't know. And then we have Wenty, yeah. Sounds about right. So that's what they look like. And then all his social medias. Go follow him, you know. But yeah, that's all the keynotes. And then we have some more stuff here, so we're gonna look at that. We're going to open this here. Carefully get this one because we don't want to mess anything up. He actually shows how he makes like these closed bags. Like I've seen him make a video on how he makes these bags closed. He has like a little machine that kind of like hot irons it or something like that, and it's super cool. I think maybe one of these days I'll get one of those. So this month's box tells you that you got the Wenty, the Red, the Petchy, and the Undulata. I don't know. I'm probably not saying these right, by the way. And it just says, thank you for purchasing this month's box. Here's a list of items that are in the box that we think you will like. And then it tells you everything. And then it tells you how much all of this was. And then the total. And that's it for that. And post an unboxing review on YouTube. Shoot us an email. So that's pretty cool. And then it just tells you probably about like rinsing the plants. Drain and rinse the plants to room temperature water, which we will do. Grab a plastic container bucket and combine 20 parts water and 1 part regular bleach. No additives. Put plants in bleach solution for 2 minutes. Make sure that the whole plant is covered. So this is basically just like a step-by-step, 7-step process to properly clean your new plants. So that's pretty cool. And that's basically it. Yeah, we have fully unboxed this. I really thank H2O Plants for giving me this monthly subscription box. I really appreciate it. I'm going to put these plants, some of them probably in my 10 gal and maybe one in my 20 gal, who knows. But I really like it, so go check him out. And this is just like a small part of my daily vlogging pet vlog series. Again, I don't know what I'm gonna name this series, but yeah, pretty cool. I liked it. Okay, you guys, so it's the end of the night, and I'm going to clean Blossom's cage. That's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to clean Blossom's cage. It really is kind of dirty, so she needs some cleaning, and I am going to call soon. I'm going to call PetSmart very soon, probably in the next vlog, but I'm going to call PetSmart and ask if they have any mice available yet. After the hurricane, they didn't bother getting mice for a long time. So when they get PetSmart, when they get the mice finally in, then Blossom can finally get some sisters. And yes, I know Adventures Crew, I know it's taken forever for her to get some buddies in there, but it will happen. So let's clean whole cage. Okay, you guys, so I'm outside my house, and this is basically where it ends today. If you guys don't know already, a lot of the videos that I'm making right now for these daily pet vlogs are scrambled up. There is some squirrels up here in my tree, my nearby tree, that are just crazy. Oh my gosh, my cat is up there. Cookie, Cookie, why are you up there? Oh no. Oh no, I might need to help her. Cookie, Cookie, I'm here. Oh god, she's trying to get a squirrel. Cookie, Cookie. Oh shoot. You okay, Cookie? What are you doing up there? She was literally up here trying to get these squirrels. Okay, so on that note, that was kind of unexpected, but this is where my vlog ends here. So if you guys don't know, my videos are scrambled up into a lot of segments, a lot of days. So this was actually the next day, and this is where I'm going to begin my next vlog. So I hope you guys like this, and I hope it was enjoyable for you to watch. Don't forget, these are going to be daily vlogs for exactly 30 days, and if you guys react really well to them, I'll make them again later. So yeah, this was the first vlog numero uno. And yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and there's going to be a question of the day for every one of these vlogs, and I will also mention to help donate to me. If you donate to me, you guys will get benefits back, and you will also be providing helping my pets here at Pet Adventures with all the pets that you know and love. So go ahead to my website and donate to me. You can donate as little as $1 if you like, or you can do even more. It's really up to you. And it's not needed at all. It just helps me make better content. But nonetheless, I will still always provide good content, the best that I can for you guys anyways. So if you want to help me out, you can go donate. That's on my website, and I will have the link down below, and I'll have the link somewhere up above as well. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Question of the day: what is your favorite all-time pet? And I will see you guys next time. Bye! See you guys at day 2.